Hi, do you want to know what is new in MICROSAR Classic with release R34? Well then, just stay tuned. I'm Andreas Wenkebach, Product Manager for MICROSAR Classic, and I hope you will enjoy my R34 topic selection. So let us dive into R34 MICROSAR Classic Spotlight features. Network security is now available for CANFD based on J1939 91C standard. A new era of cryptography is starting with post-quantum algorithm. The first we provide with R34 is SLH-DSA. Though Service 29 is standardized through UDS, in real life a lot of flexibility in implementing it according to security requirements is needed. I chose a new highlight in the charge context for R34, bidirectional power transfer with AC distributed energy source. There is also a new central AUTOSAR feature. Memmap has been standardized, allowing for new features with 22.11, and we are starting this journey in R34. I want to give you a status update on the MICROSAR Gateway solution info I provided with R33 Spotlight already. And last but not least, an announcement for big leap in configuration. The new DaVinci Configurator Classic Generation 6. Let us start with a security feature. With the release of J1939 91C network security on CANFD, secure communication over CANFD is now possible in a standardized way. So how does it work? J1939 messages are secured with a security tag, ensuring the authenticity, freshness, and integrity of the message. The standard defines a certificate-based key agreement to ensure security. How does such a message look like? The J1939 parameter groups are provided with a security tag within the assurance data trailer. This tag is appended to the secured contained PGS according to J1939-22. This assurance data contains a freshness value, an EBIT, and a CMAC. So what does Vector already have, and is there more to come? Okay, right now a beta implementation is already available and offers runtime, rekeying, and secure messaging. However, network formation support, which is the initial negotiation of the network key based on certificates, will only be available until end of 2025. This functionality is typically required end of line before vehicle assembly. With end of 2025, including network formation, our offer to you is complete. Support for message encryption is not planned as of today. Post-quantum cryptography? Well, that is a highlight. With the classic release R34, the first such algorithm, the SLH-DSA, is now available for our crypto stack. Why post-quantum algorithms? Existing algorithms like RSA, ECC, or Diffie-Hellman rely on one of the three hard mathematical problems: the integer factorization problem, the discrete logarithm problem, or the elliptic curve discrete logarithm problem. All these are one-way functions, enabling secure asymmetric cryptography. Classical computer architectures cannot solve these problems in a reasonable time. However, in 1994 already, mathematician Peter Shor demonstrated that a quantum computer could solve these problems in polynomial time using his presented algorithms, making the breaking of these problems theoretically possible. This applies to all mentioned asymmetric algorithms and anything based on the named hard mathematical problems. Quantum computers are now a reality and are becoming increasingly powerful. Notably, symmetric encryption algorithms are not affected and are still considered secure, although the new recommendation is to double the key lengths for those. The American standardization body NIST has responded by standardizing 3 post-quantum cryptography algorithms: the SLH-DSA, the ML-DSA, and the Kyber. SLH-DSA and ML-DSA are signature algorithms, while Kyber is based on key exchange. With SLH-DSA, meaning stateless hash-based digital signature algorithm, the first post-quantum cryptography algorithm is available in MICROSAR Classic. It is using the SHA-256-128S parameter set. 128S here means that the algorithm is as hard to break as an AES equivalent with a length of 128 would be. Its algorithm is based on Sphinx Plus, a post-quantum cryptographic scheme specifically designed to resist attacks from quantum computers. Notably, signatures have a length of 7K, which is about an order of magnitude more compared to traditional signatures. We have already released the verification as Quality QM, and the generation will follow shortly, becoming available with R35. What are the relevant use cases? Secure software download, safeguarded by signature procedures, then authenticated diagnostic sessions of Service 29, and principally any other scenario involving cryptographic signatures. And will the story stop here? Certainly not. We are already planning the implementations for ML, DSA, and Kyber, which shall be available in one of the upcoming releases. Yet another security highlight, here from Diagnostic solution. Service 29 support is nothing new for you, is it? Right. Vector has been providing out-of-the-box implementations since R24 already. However, with R34 we have significantly enhanced it. The new release provides numerous extensions and additional callouts to enable custom Service 29 implementation. What is now possible to do additionally? Okay, number 1. It is now possible to use different certificate types for the same tester by configuring key-m certificate groups. 2. An anti-brute force mechanism, similar to Service 27, has also been added. This may not be needed for Service 29 in the same way like for Service 27, as service operation already takes a perceivable time typically. However, it may help to provide additional security and thus can now be configured if needed. 3. In addition, there are 4 central callouts that allow Service 29 to be customized. These are pre-verification, challenge service computation, proof of verification, and NRC after certificate verification. And with release 35, the story will continue. An extension to include the Diffie-Hellman key agreement will be added. This is specified as an option in the UDS standard and is also known as ephemeral key support there. Maybe you wonder what is new inside our comprehensive charging solution. Well, with release 34, we again have expanded our charging solution to support bidirectional AC DER. According to ISO 15118-20 Amendment 1, based on the released DIS, which is draft international standard, so only draft state for now. Bidirectional charging is a growing trend that will gain further importance for sure. AC DER involves charging or discharging with AC. The Amendment 1 provides an extended parameter set for this purpose. AC DER enables several exciting use cases, including self-sufficient homes and grid balancing, where the vehicle acts as distributed energy source. Some more key details on these. Vehicle to grid. The vehicle acts as a buffer to manage grid peaks. Multiple electric vehicles connected to the grid function as a virtual power plant, either supplying or absorbing energy as needed. Vehicle to home. The vehicle serves as an energy storage unit to power the home, for example, during a power outage. It can also store excess energy produced by home solar panels, providing a buffer for energy management. So, what is now supported exactly with R34 and what can you do with it? Our solution now fully supports the current parameter set from the draft document of the ISO, enabling comprehensive charging communication. The stack is available for prototypical applications, with the final release expected alongside the final ISO release, likely in Q3 of 2025. Well, is there any highlight from AUTOSAR in release 34? Sure, the new Memmap 2211 definition we consider to be very helpful to increase both structure and flexibility for memory mapping. Our implementation has started addressing some basic set of components, Memmap core component itself next to RTE and OS as the foundation, and already some more. Check the list on the sheet yourself. In case you update a delivery to R34, you will have to update your existing Memmap configuration to support the new Memmap structure. A knowledge base article to support you in doing that is available via the Vector portal. After your migration or when starting a new project, you can take benefit from the new features offered through 2211 Memmap. For mixed ASIL use cases, you can now differentiate safety level mapping within a single component. You also can now individually assign components to partitions. Also for multi-core environments, there are benefits. There is now a better differentiation possible between core global versus core local assignments, and thus more optimizing memory assignment is achieved. Let us leave AUTOSAR here and shift focus to some of Vector's own innovative ideas. I want to provide you with an update on our new MICROSAR gateway solution. Our MICROSAR gateway solution is engineered to deliver low latency and high throughput, offering enhanced flexibility in configuring routing paths while minimizing cross-core communication restrictions. This solution sets a new benchmark for high performance, making it particularly appealing for high throughput routing scenarios. We offer two distinct options for you to consider. First option is the hardware routing support VEHWRM. This allows you to leverage hardware routing support. Through scripting provided by us, our tooling workflow allows to automatically create optimized routings based on your defined routings. Our scripts are designed to adapt to platform specifics for maximizing throughput, and the first platforms are already available in beta status, with more to follow upon your request. Second, we offer software routing support, which operates directly at the BSW level. Routing is executed on a dedicated core with a special task designed to maximize routing throughput. The BSW module will be available in beta by the end of this year. Let's discuss which option suits your needs best. Combining both will lead to optimal performance. Another milestone of Vector's innovative solutions is underway. Let me introduce you to our new generation of tooling. It is designed with modular architecture to meet the demands of the modern software factories. Its innovative approach enhances collaboration and performance, allowing you to configure and persist your configuration as code. Performance improvements are achieved through different measures additionally, like enhanced modularity and configuration caching. The rollout will occur in 2 phases, beginning with evolution step 1 in Q4 2025. As many projects as possible shall benefit from the new configurator experience, so all projects based on R35 will adopt the new tooling. With our strong migration support, including dedicated migration tooling, the transition will be smooth. If you already use the automation interface, migrating your code is required, and our migration scripts are here to help. We especially encourage you to reach out for support to ensure a seamless transition in that case. While evolution step 1 still allows you to configure as before, trying out the new as code journey is highly encouraged to unlock the benefits of our tooling. Do not hesitate to contact us with questions, e.g. on how to benefit most. Either way, you shall be able to gain a performance boost and take profit from the new modular input file handling. For those expecting updates post R35 release, feel free to contact us. Sometimes sticking with the previous release might be preferable. But well, if you're not nearing a software freeze, seize the opportunity to upgrade. Regarding BSW software, I shall mention that some vector hardware drivers may take more time to migrate and will not be ready with R35 yet. Additionally, some third-party MCAL suppliers will use generators based on our existing tooling. The new configurator handles these cases by providing legacy generator support, allowing you to reuse legacy generators within the new tooling context. This is similar to Treesor's tooling integration we provide since long. Details on configuring this will be included in your R35 delivery. A last thing on BSW. You might have noticed that sprint releases aren't offered through package-based delivery in R35. This is due to component migration activities. Sprint-based development releases will start to be available again with release 36, however. Hopefully you enjoyed this latest spotlight session on MICROSAR Classic Release 34. I'm sure you could extract some valuable information for you. Happy to see you again on the next R36 Spotlight video.